Hey y'all, come with me to Triple J's Barbecue Smokehouse. I want to make sure I'm pronouncing that correctly. It is a black-owned barbecue spot, y'all. I'm talking about ribs, brisket, sausage, dirty rice, the whole 9 yards. And when you first go in there, it's going to be a very long line, but it's one of them lines that kind of go by really, really fast. And as you look around, it's just a lot of black history. There goes the menu. Of course, I have to support my black-owned businesses, so I'm gonna forever shout y'all out and go to y'all places and just try new food while I'm here in Houston. I've been in Houston for about 2.5 years now, going on 3. So I'm excited to go to places like this with just so much history, heritage, all kind of stuff going on, y'all. But I'm gonna show y'all my plate. I got the baked potato with the brisket, and it also came with ribs and sausage, y'all. And they were not stingy with their food. Do you see that plate? Do you see that plate? Full to capacity, and it's not expensive at all. Yeah, I definitely will be coming back. Shout out to Black Owned, Triple J's. Yeah, y'all make sure y'all go visit. Bye, y'all.